So let's start with rule number one. Rule number one says there must always be an offer or offers. What does he mean by that?
Well, so this is different than what I just mentioned about brand advertising or image advertising. Those are meant just to get your brand out or your image out. And I don't know if you remember this, but a few years ago, Pepsi spent multi millions of dollars changing their logo.
Yeah,
Remember that?
do.
Multi millions of dollars in business. Okay. How many of us smaller, medium sized businesses can afford to do those kinds of things?
Right.
So if you're going to put an ad out there, you have to have an offer of some kind. Okay. And, uh, and one of the things that does is let them know that they can buy.
Right.
Okay. And so give them an offer and don't assume that just because you put something out there that, oh, okay, that let's go see what I can buy. You have to make them an offer. And here's the thing that some people get caught up with when we talk about that, Craig, is they translate give them an offer to put something on sale.
Right.
Okay. And that doesn't have to be necessarily. I've worked with some industries lately that have been very, very good. COVID was very, very good for them. We run ads and we put offers out there, but it doesn't mean they're on sale.
Right.
Okay. It's an offer. The pricing may be the same, but call us now to schedule this or go here to buy that. So an offer is critical for you to be able to get some results.
Right. What you were talking about Pepsi and big stupid dumb companies, Dan calls them, right? The ones that have millions in their budget to advertise and promote and leave it up to an advertising agency to run it. And the mindset behind that is they'll run it so many times on TV and different media that when a person goes to buy something of that type of product, they'll think of that product. That's what it's really thinking about. But for the person like you and me and the other small businesses watching this, we don't have millions of bucks to do it. So everything that goes out has to matter. It has to count. And that's good call on that.